Alright, okay, let's look at this question here. So pause the video, try the question before looking at my solution. Right? A bag contains 4 pieces of red towels and 3 yellow towels. The towels are to be drawn at random one by one without replacement. Okay, highlight the word here, without replacement, from the bag until a piece of red towel is obtained. Okay, the meaning here is until the piece of red towel is obtained, then it stop, right? So if X is the total number towel drawn from the bag, so obtain the probability distribution of X, right? So I was asking you to show that will be a discrete random variable. So very simple, as this is a bag, right? Inside the bag you have 4 pieces of red towel followed by 3 yellow towel, right? So this person very free, right? Before bath, he was taking a towel, right? Before going for bath, okay? So you're taking, if this is a yellow color, they will put it one side, right? Without replace means that after taking out yellow, they put one side. So then it's continue to take another one, right? Another one. If this is a red towel, then this person will stop and going for bath, right? Mandi, okay? He must using a red towel. Okay, very funny person, right? So if let's say the person taking yellow, the first one, you put one side. Okay, then the second one will be yellow. They put one side again. So the number of yellow towel, and the number of towel inside the basket is already inside the bag is already reduced, right? The number. So if it's taken out again, or if red, then he will going for buff, right? So now you look at this question here. So it's actually what is the probability approach, right? The techniques of probability that you can use to helping you, right? I will suggest you using the tree diagram. All right, tree diagram. So the person either is very lucky for the first drawn before getting red. Okay, after getting red, then this person will be go for buff, right? One without. The question here is drawn at random, one by one, without replacement, from the bag until a piece of red towel, right? Maybe the first drawn already getting the red towel, right? And if you get yellow, then you stop here, right? You stop here. This is first drawn, so this is a first drawn. So and later on, maybe getting yellow, right? Getting yellow. So this person have to draw again, right? Have to draw again the towel. So and now the okay, let's look at this, the probability here. So we have 4 red, right? 4 out of 4 plus 3. Total you have 7 towel inside here. So 3 of 7 is yellow, right? After you taken out the yellow, then you won't put it back without replacement. Tidak letak balik. So means that the total now is over 6, right? The total is over 6 now. So means that from 7 becomes 6. And the yellow towel already taken out, right? Already taken out. Then you put aside. So the yellow towel become 2 yellow towel. From 3 become 2. Because you have taken 1, right? So 2. But this is remain as 4. Still have 4 red towel. So maybe the second drawn, it get red or maybe get yellow again, right? So here they will stop. Okay? Stop. Mandi, okay? Pergi mandi. Sini sudah pergi mandi. So yellow. Ayo, so unlucky, so unlucky. So then go for another round, right? Go for another round. So maybe getting red, maybe getting yellow, right? But now you have how many? Sorry. So this one should be 4, right? This one should be 4. Okay, I forgot because this is red, right? This is red. So means that the red will still have 4, right? The red will still have 4 red color here. Okay. So and for this it has already become 2, right? Because the yellow is 3, right? You taken out, so you have 2, right? You have 2 left, right? So now, okay. So let's say now, if you taken out another yellow, right? So now means 2 yellow is already taken out, right? Taken out. So means the number of yellow, the number of towel inside will be 5, right? Over 5. Will be over 5. Because now you still have 5 towel only. So 2 yellow have taken out. So means Sudah ambil dua keluar, 2 yellow have taken out. So you still have 1 yellow. So 1 over 5, right? And this will still have 4 inside there. Alright, because you see, you take yellow first time, second also yellow. So of course you still have 4 red. But now you still have remaining only 1 yellow, right? So, okay, now this one, the person can go to mandi already, right? Go for mandi already. Because why? It's also a red color. And yellow, yellow, yellow. Finally, right? It's either yellow or red, right? Red or yellow. So definitely this time, right? Definitely this time, we have 4 tower only, right? We have 4 tower only. Why 4 only? Because we have taken 1, 2, 3. 3 yellow tower have taken out. So, do you still think that they have yellow tower? Masih ada yellow tower tak? No. 3 have already taken out, right? So, you have 0 yellow tower. So, how many red? 4 red tower. Means that for this branch, you can actually redrawn to be 0. This one is 0 possibility. Probability is 0 to getting a yellow tower. And the probability is 1. 4 over 4 is 1. Means that sure get a red tower, right? Because you have taken all the 3 yellow tower. So inside the bag, you only have 4 red tower. So this will be the this is a very unlucky. For this will be very unlucky, right? You have to take 4 rounds to getting the red color, right? Very unlucky person, okay? So this is a very lucky if you're taking the first one is red, right? I consider this to be lucky, all right? Okay, okay. I have tell you the problem here, okay? I have tell you how the problem goes. So now you look at this. You must understand what is the x defined for this question. X is the number of towers. Number of towers. Doesn't care is how many tower is drawn, right? Is yellow or red? We are not care at all, okay? So we say that x is the total number of tower drawn. Total number of tower doesn't know. We don't care about is yellow or red, okay? Okay, look at this case here. So, what is the discrete random variable here? I always tell my students, you must understand the question, okay? I keep repeating. X is the total number of tower drawn from the bag. The total number, maximum, how many tower you can draw, right? How many number? Minimum, you can have 1 tower, right? Because you must have at least 1 tower, right? To decide whether you want to buff or not want to buff. Alright, so it's red, okay, mandi terus, okay, 1. So either 2 tower is drawn, right? 2 tower is drawn. This is 2 tower, okay, stop after 2 tower. Okay, this is only 1 tower. Okay, sorry. Okay, 1 tower, right? So yellow, red. So or maybe yellow, yellow, red. 3 tower is drawn, right? 3 tower is drawn. The most unlucky is 4 tower is drawn, right? 4 tower. So means that maximum you can draw how many tower? So means that maximum for discrete random variable here, okay? The discrete random variable here will be 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the meaning of discrete random variable. Either you taken 1 tower already can mandi, right? Or maybe you taken 2 tower, yellow, later on red, okay, then you go mandi. So, or the maximum is 4, cannot be 5, right? Cannot be 5 because yellow, 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 that's all, right? Later on, the rest will be red, yes or not? So it means that you have 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the discrete random variable for this problem. You must define, okay? You must define. So, and obtain the probability distribution of x, right? Obtain the probability distribution of x. Actually, you can use this, you can actually construct the table, right? Construct the probability distribution table for A, right? So, very simple. So, if probability of 1 tower, 1 tower here means that probability of getting red, 1 times only, will be how many? 4 over 7. You see, you have to follow this all. So, when Px equals to 2, what does it mean by x equals to 2? 2 tower is drawn. First, you get yellow, cannot. Later on, you get red. Okay. So, is you taking the 3 over 7, 3 over 7, multiply with, okay, you see, 3 over 7, getting yellow. Second, Getting red, 4 over 6. This is a dependent event, right? Dependent event. So if you take out the yellow, the probability will be reduced, right? The probability will be, the number of tower will be reduced, right? The probability will change, okay? So it's dependent. So you multiply 4 over 6, you were getting, later on I calculate. So how about Px equals to 3, right? Px equals to 3, means that 3 tower is drawn. You're getting yellow, cannot, until you're getting red. The third tower you're getting red, then you stop. So then the number of tower drawn is 1, 2, 3, 3 tower. So is 3 over 7, 2 over 6, right? 3 over 7, 2 over 6, right? First yellow, 2 over 7, second also yellow, 2 over 6, and the third one is red, 4 over 5. 4 over 5. Okay, finally, so Px equals to 4. At most 4 tower is drawn. So means the first one will be yellow, right? So yellow, yellow again, adoy, yellow again, adoy, finally red, yay, wow, mandi, mari. Okay, 3 over 7, okay, 3 over 7 multiply with 2 over 6, right? 3 over 7 multiply with 2 over 6 multiply with 1 over 5, and finally sure get red lah, okay, sure get red. This is called sure we get red because you have drawn out all the yellow. The box, the bag inside now only got 4 red ma. So then you calculate the probability, right? So calculate all this, all the value here. Alright, I have calculated for you, right? If you know probability, you are a student that know probability, you not just see that is a number, you see that is a meaning here, right? If you know probability, you will see a meaning. If you know mathematics, right? So what is the meaning here, you see? First drawn, 4%, this is higher chance, right? The chance is higher that you get red for the first time, because why? You have so many red, right? 4 red and 3 yellow. But the second time of getting red means that the second drawn you getting red is 2 over 7. It's getting lesser than the first one for the first drawn. Okay, this one 4 over 35. The probability for this is less than the probability for this, and this is less than the probability for this. So what is actually telling you? You're getting yellow, yellow, finally only getting red. The probability will be lower. Okay, this is so unlucky. Unlucky because what? Yellow, 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 finally only get red. But you know there is 4 red, right? But finally only you're getting red. You see 1 over 35. Among these 4 probability, this one is the least one, 1 over 35. Means that nearly compared to all this is least possible, alright? Least possible. Jarang lah orang begitu malang kan. Jarang. But if 35% is involving, one of them is so unlucky. That's the meaning here, right? Probability is telling you. You can actually changing this to a percentage, alright? This is for your extra knowledge, okay? And one more thing that you should know is X is a discrete random variable, right? You try to add up. You follow my instruction now, okay? You just like in classroom now, you follow my instruction. You please add up these 4 numbers here. What you get, right? Without calculate also you know, okay? You try to add up. Are you getting 1? Yes, I'm getting 1. Alright, I'm getting 1. So now I'm going to do all this because the question is asking us to obtain the probability distribution of X. Usually for discrete random variable, we're going to construct a table for this. Okay, let's see. Alright, okay, let's construct the probability distribution function or probability distribution table here. So, okay, you have X, right? Px equals to X. So how many random variable? So you have at least you have 1 tower, okay, 2 tower, 3 tower, 4 tower, okay. You must draw a tower, right? So maximum you can draw 4 tower. So for 1 tower you have 4 over 7, and later on 2 over 7, and later on 4 over 35, and later on 1 over 35. How to check whether your distribution is correct or not? Means understand the question correctly or not. Very simple. You add up all the probability here. If you do not getting and 1, means there is a misunderstanding you and the question. Alright. So you have to add up. If you're getting 1, that means this is correct. Alright. So let's say the question asking you to find the probability of 1 or 2 tower. Right. 1 or 2 tower is drawn, they say that probability of 1, okay, or probability of 2 tower, 1 or 2 tower, right? Very simple. This is discrete random variable. Discrete random variable, we just add, right? We just add on because there is no probability between 1 and 2, right? It's only 1 and 2. Let's add up. So we add up these two. So 1, right? Probability of x equals to 1 is 4 over 7, right? 4 over 7 plus with 2 over 7. This is the meaning of all here, right? So we have 6 over 7. Okay, 6 over 7. So, and later on, if they're asking you to find the probability of the question, but this will be very easy, right? Find the probability that between 1 and 3 include 3. So it will be, cannot be 1, so it must be 2 or 3. We're saying this, okay? 2 or 3. So means that 2 or 3. So we're just adding up the probability, right? X is 2 or 3. So 2 over 7 plus 4 over 35. Very easy, right? So let's see which giving you 2 over 5, right? The probability is 2 over 5. Okay, quite easily done. Okay, that's all for this problem.